Gidroservice 2000 is presenting technologies of oil production intensification by hydrodynamic stalling cavitation method. Today, one of the main challenges that oil and gas companies face is a low degree of extraction of hydrocarbons from the subsoil. Obviously, the full rate recovery of hydrocarbons is prevented by decline in service of permeability of bottom hole zone wells, as well as colmatation of their filter zone. Gidroservice 2000 has developed a method which regains oil recovery even of those wells at the time of their decommissioning had zero flow rate due to 100% colmatation of the filter and bottom hole zone. Our method is a method of hydrodynamic stalling cavitation, which ensures a significant increase in oil recovery from the depths. Restoration of wells performance using the method of hydrodynamic stalling cavitation is not only an alternative to the extensive drilling of new wells, but millions of tons of additionally produced oil even today. It is worth highlighting the major geological features and physical properties specific for all wells and reservoirs, namely that according to geology structure, the rocks which form reservoirs are not homogeneous, and remaining oil reserves are concentrated in poorly drained zones, so-called unrecovered oil. The operation of production and injection wells is accompanied by a process of the permeability reduction of the bottom hole zone. This is caused by partial or total pore clogging, colmatation of bottom hole zone of formation with rock particles, various mechanical impurities, asphalt resinous deposits, waxes, salts, etc. The result of colmatation is the reduction in flow rate of production wells and well injection capacity. By its acoustic properties, the reservoir is a combination of vibration systems. It has been identified to date that under periodic pulse impact on the border of the layering system, there may be a parametric resonance able to shatter and destroy particles of colmatant. Therefore, there is an obvious need for a device able to draw a parametric resonance, which in turn will ensure the process of the refining the bottom hole zone of colmatant along with the improvement of the layer's permeability. Engineers of Gidroservice 2000 Company have developed and introduced into operation the cavitation pressure pulses generator, capable to solve such challenges. The generator allows us to achieve significant results in oil production intensification, enhanced oil recovery, and speed up project well launches. Now, let us get to the structure of the cavitation pressure pulses generator. The cavitation pressure pulses generator is a metallic cylinder with a 73 mm in diameter and 1,550 mm length. In the lower part of the generator, there is a box which generates cavitation pulses. The processing fluid unit is located in the middle part of the generator. In the upper part of the generator, there is a thread connection with any type of elevators equipment. Specification of the cavitation pressure pulses generator. The internal pressure is up to 100 MPa. The external pressure is up to 50 MPa. Flow fluid volume is up to 50 cubic meters per hour. An amplitude of dynamic pressure pulses regulated 0 to 50 MPa. Repetition frequency of generated pulses is 700 to 12,000 Hz. The generator keeps working at the bottom hole temperature of up to 150 degrees Celsius. Fresh or stratum water with density up to 1.3 tons per cubic meter is used as a processing fluid. Processing the filter and bottom hole zone of the well starts after the pump and compressor equipment is fished out. Further, the cavitation pressure pulses generator is delivered into the well to a depth of productive horizon. The treatment is accompanied by the generator lifting up and down to the entire length of the perforating zone. When the generator operates in the mode of periodic stalling cavitation, a sequence of pressure phases occur, repression and depression, affecting on the filter and bottom hole zone of the well. The dynamic pressure created by the generator has a non-linear pulse character with pulse duration of 2 to 3 microseconds and recurrence rate of 700 to 12,000 Hz. The effective area of pressure pulse propagation exceeds 50 meters, which suggests this method as a formation local fracturing. Pressure pulses are controlled and can reach hundreds and thousands of atmospheres. As a result of alternating pressure, new cracks occur. Filtration channels of bottom hole zone are exempt from pollution. Mechanical impurities, colloidal particles, salt deposits, asphalt resin paraffin components of oil, oxidation products, and as a consequence, channels are cleaned and formation permeability is restored. The flow of fluids improves in production wells. Their penetration from bottom hole zone increases and water cut reduces. Injection capacity increases in injection wells, ensuring maintenance of required formation pressure. After the treatment, the cavitation pressure pulses generator is removed from the well. The treatment lasts less than 6 hours, followed immediately by a launch of the well. Our method guarantees an increase in oil recovery from the depths as well as an effective life extension of wells. Our technologies are already successfully applied. We are open for cooperation and ready to work in all regions.